Whether it's with a friend, a family member, or a crush, Valentine's Day always manages to sneak up on you. So let's get a head start with 5 Valentine's Day gift ideas, all under $5. You can find the printable labels online at allthecraze.com/valentines. For the first gift idea, you need some popcorn, pretzels, Smarties, and a cellophane bag. This gift idea is really cute, but the only problem is that my donut kind of got a little messed up in the car, so be careful with your donut. Anyways, for this gift idea, all you need is a donut and a cellophane bag. So for our next gift, all we need is some paper shreds, a pot, some Hershey Kisses, and a plastic toy shovel. Now we're going to put together a little something for those scholars in our lives. All we need is a pair of scissors and a template that you can get online and a Muji pen. And next for our bath bomb, all you need is a bath bomb and a cellophane bag. And that's it. Comment your favorite gift idea below and see you in our next video with some gift ideas for your boyfriend, girlfriend, or crush. Bye!